Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll teach you how to recover your recently deleted photos and videos on any iPhone. It's a very easy thing to do. So all you have to do is go and select two photos, go to your gallery, just scroll down. You can see the recently deleted tab right here. Go and click there. Then afterwards what you have to do is in the right part of the screen you will see the select button. Go and touch there. Then you can select any videos and any photos you want to recover. I've just selected all of this. Then you can go and just click the recover button right here. Recover 5 items, yes. So now all of this is recovered and you can see this here in my gallery itself. So if you have any comments or any suggestions you want to give us, you can please feel free to hit our comment section.